Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tomatoes are transformed into billion-dollar products step by step.
We have a delay on the South American harvest.
Reroute the Chilean vessels to the Long Beach hub immediately.
The automated sensors continuously measure the thickness and consistency. The digital viscosity readings update live.
Here in the formulation room, the tomato base is blended with a precise mixture of salt, sugar, and our signature spice blend.
The demand spike in Sector 7 is exceeding our current stock levels.
I've rerouted the incoming shipment. It should stabilize within the hour.
The weather front in the Pacific is affecting the route optimization.
Reroute the Shanghai shipment through Rotterdam. That should clear the bottleneck.
Organic waste is processed into bioenergy and nutrient-rich byproducts. This state-of-the-art thermal recovery system captures the excess heat, converting waste energy into usable power for the facility.
This is where our commitment to sustainability begins. All packaging materials, from cartons to films, are a
The real-time emissions are holding steady well below the compliance threshold.
Good. Cross-reference that with the audit report on Scope 2 emissions.
The Q3 metrics show a significant reduction in waste.
And what are the projections for Q4, assuming the current output levels?
As the predictive curves adjust dynamically, the AI optimizes the production flow, leading to a significant reduction in waste. This adjustment should significantly improve the safety metrics for the next shift.
Agreed. The new protocol is logged and confirmed.
By optimizing the Southeast Asia hub, we increase capacity by 20%.
And the global market projections look solid for Q3.
The viscosity here is ideal, and the label texture matches the mock-up.
Confirmed. The digital specs are identical to the physical sample.
The consumption charts show a clear spike in the North African regions. This confirms our growth projections.
Yes, the strategic clarity here is undeniable.
As you can see, the Q3 revenue curve for processed tomatoes shows unprecedented growth.
The segmentation confirms our...
This stunning visualization tracks the journey of tomato products across the globe, highlighting the intricate web of modern logistics.
Keep an eye on the throughput here.
Looks steady, but I'll monitor the next batch. The data confirms our hypothesis.
Look at the consistency metrics here. We should proceed to the next phase.
The AI integration on line 3 shows a 20% efficiency gain.
And the energy consumption is down by 15. This is highly promising.
As you can see, the emissions are down by 15% this quarter.
Yes, and the water recycling initiative is showing strong results as well.
Byproducts are no longer waste. They are reintegrated into a sustainable production ecosystem.
From fields to factories, this is how tomatoes become one of the world's most powerful food industries.
Night and day, the production here never stops, ensuring a constant flow of materials across the globe.